Heavy equipment mechanics, also known as diesel equipment mechanics or heavy-duty mechanics, repair and maintain big machines and heavy-duty equipment. Your day-to-day duties would include adjusting, repairing, and replacing worn and damaged mechanical, hydraulic, and electrical parts. You'll work on skidders, feller bunchers, dozers, trucks, and other heavy equipment.
I'm Brandon Ward. I'm proud to be a heavy equipment mechanic for Thompson Tractor in Birmingham, Alabama. I like working with my hands because I'm not the type of person who wants to sit behind a desk all day long or sit in a cubicle. I like to be out in the open and be able to use my body and have the satisfaction of going home at night being tired, not from mental stress but from physical stress, and it's much more rewarding that way to me.
Heavy equipment mechanics rely on hand and power tools and specialized equipment. As a heavy equipment mechanic, you may specialize in specific types of machinery like tracked vehicles, fuel injection systems, power shift transmissions, hydraulics, or electronics.
It's a very rewarding field. I like to be able to take something apart and put it back together and fix something that no one else is able to fix and see it perform the way it's supposed to perform.
As a heavy equipment mechanic, you'll need to check equipment for proper performance, adjust equipment to maintain parts and systems, perform routine maintenance work on equipment, and test repaired equipment.
I think that big equipment is cool. I did get to grow up around some of it coming up, and to be able to work on it is just a fun job.
This job is right for you if you're a problem solver and like learning new things. A high school diploma or equivalent is required. A 3 to 5 year apprenticeship or trade school is also required, along with all the necessary certifications.
Becoming a heavy equipment mechanic has affected my life in a positive way. The company has put me through college and my training for this position. It gave me an associate's degree, and I have no student loan debt, so financially it's put me way ahead. At 21 years old, I'm able to buy a house and be married and be able to start ahead of everybody else that would still be in a 4-year traditional degree with student loans.
If you like working with your hands and don't mind a little grease, you'll enjoy this job. For more information on becoming a heavy equipment mechanic, visit forestryworks.com.